each representing triumph and excellence, a testimony to the quality of education that Naga College Foundation Incorporated proudly upholds. Recognizing the newly registered nurses for May 2025 Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination with 88.89% over the national passing rate of 64.40%. J.C. Barreda, RN. Rachel A. Berha, RN. Maria Veronica Berilla, RN. Gresley Nicole P. Camoral, RN. Nordine L. Infante, RN. Hazel S.A. Lopez, RN. Angelo C. Palacio, RN. Glyza J. T. Tolibas, RN. Rex Adrian M. Vargas, RN. Maria Cecilia M. Barbonio, RN, RM. Mayan T. Hilario, RN, RM. Aveki B. Sanchez, RN, RM. Edeline P. Tyre, RN, RM. And Christian A. Villarasa, RN, RM. Today, we take a moment of pride to recognize and celebrate an outstanding achievement in the field of nursing. With dedication, perseverance, and exceptional competence, the whole community of Naga College Foundation Incorporated congratulates Monique Saludes Arela, RN, for securing 6th place in the June 2025 Philippine Nurses Special Professional Licensure Examination. Your achievement is a true mark of excellence, an inspiration to your fellow nurses, mentors, and of healthcare professionals. Your hard work exemplifies a very heart of compassionate and competent care that every nurse aspires to deliver. On behalf of the entire community, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and deepest pride in your success. Continue high, Nurse Monique Arela, to care of excellence in your nursing journey. Mabuhay ka at maraming salamat sa karangalang iyong ibinahagi. Join me also in welcoming their proud parents, Mr. Alfredo Sr., Mrs. Marisa Saludes. And now, we now honor the steady hands and guiding hearts beyond the academic and clinical formation of our graduates, the clinical faculty members of the College of Health Sciences. Let us all give them a round of applause. Joining the ranks are the clinical coordinator who ensure the real-world readiness of our graduates with various hospital and community settings. Walking behind them is the dedicated program coordinator, Teresita Q. Decal, RN, MAN, who works silently yet diligently in shaping nursing education. We also honor the esteemed leader administrators of Naga College Foundation, whose vision and leadership continue to elevate this institution as a center of academic excellence. Dr. Stanley O.D., RN, RM, MAN, Assistant Vice President and Dean of Health. Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, CPA, MBA, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Let us give a warm welcome to the visionary president of Naga College Foundation, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva. We also welcome with honor and gratitude our esteemed guest whose presence today graces this milestone with meaning. Our guest of honor is a dedicated advocate of educational excellence and dynamic leader in higher education. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome Dr. Maria Pamela Sora Viñas, CHED Education Supervisor to Region 5. We are also privileged to have with us our honorable guest speaker, a respected leader in the nursing profession, a member of the Professional Regulatory Commission Board of Nursing. With great respect, let us give a heartfelt welcome to Honorable ZENAIDA C. GAGNO, RN, MAN. Truly, this assembly of committed educators, administrators, proud parents, determined students, and honored guests mark a milestone not only to these future nurses, but for the continued mission of Naga College Foundation in shaping global health leaders. Please remain standing for our invocation to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the NCF hymn to be led by the Naga College Foundation Rondalia. Please be seated. Thank you. Once again, a blessed afternoon to our esteemed guests, respected administrators, honored faculty, proud parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, and most especially our future nurses. Welcome to this momentous occasion, the clinical graduation ceremony of the Bachelor of Science in Nursing class of 2025 of Naga College Foundation Incorporated, carrying the banner of this year's theme, Empowered to Care and Equipped to Lead. A new era of NCF nurses in global health. To formally open today's program, it is with deep respect that I call on our distinguished leader, whose steadfast guidance continues to inspire the College of Health Sciences, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, CPA, MBA, Vice President for Academic Affairs, for her opening message.
Thank you so much, our beloved MC. Honorable ZENAIDA C. GAGNO, RN, Member, Professional Regulatory Commission, Philippine Board of Nursing, Dr. Maria Pamela Sora Viñas, CHED, Education Supervisor 2 of Region 5, Sir Mario C. Villanueva, our beloved President, NCF, Dr. Stanley D., Assistant Vice President and Dean for Health Sciences, esteemed faculty members of the College of Health Sciences, proud parents of our top placer, Ms. Monique S. Arella, of course, our new RNs and NNs who are here this afternoon, our NCF Rondalia, and our special honorees for tonight, our future nurses. And friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is an honor on my part to welcome you to this momentous occasion, celebrating the clinical graduation of our future nurses. Today's theme, Empowered to Care and Equipped to Lead, a new era of NCF nurses in global health, perfectly captures the spirit and mission of our nurses as they step into a world increasingly in need of compassionate and visionary healthcare professionals. Today, in the clinical graduation of our dear students who will be future nurses, let us be reminded that in the NCF, you were nurtured in the home of the champions because our promise is for us to champion your way. Your instructors and mentors uniquely prepared you not only with clinical expertise, but with the adaptive, innovative skills essential for leadership in today's dynamic global health landscape. We tried our best to develop you as embodiment of the values of empowerment through education, confidence in experience, and commitment to compassionate care. As you embark on your professional journeys, we hope that you carry the responsibility and privilege to effect lasting change in communities wherever you may be. With this, of course, we congratulate your clinical instructors for preparing you as soon to be professional nurses, equipped both with personal, and professional competencies needed in the healthcare environment. We celebrate your achievements, dedication, and promise. We honor your hard work, and we look forward to a future shaped by your courage, wisdom, and leadership. Let me congratulate all of you. Truly, you are now empowered to care, and you are now equipped to lead. Remember always that NCF will always champion your ways. Thank you once again, and good afternoon, and of course, congratulations.
Thank you, Ma'am Nora, for that empowering message. As we reflect on your words, we are reminded that these future nurses are not merely equipped with knowledge, they are molded to lead with heart and to serve with purpose. A tiger's champion. To lead the significant part of the ceremony, we call forward the respected Assistant Vice President and Dean for Health Sciences, Dr. Stanley O.D., for the presentation of the candidates.
Candidates for clinical graduation, please rise. Mr. President, may I present to you 226 candidates for clinical graduation. Per recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Health Sciences, they have satisfactorily completed the requirements in the related learning experience for the degree in Bachelor of Science in Nursing as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
To conduct the solemn affirmation, it is my honor to call on none other than the President of Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, MBA.
Upon the recommendation of the Dean of the College of Health Sciences Department, and having completed all the requirements in the related learning experience for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and Naga College Foundation Incorporated, I, as President, with the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees and Commission on Higher Education, confirm you as graduates. Congratulations. You may now sit down.
At this moment, let us listen to words of inspiration from the very person whose vision, leadership, and commitment continue to propel Naga College Foundation forward. With great honor, we invite once again Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, MBA, to deliver his presidential message.
And to our parents, and of course, to our graduate nurses. So of course, sa ating dean, sa ating faculty, and all other staff that is supporting sa ating mga students. Thank you so much for arranging this momentous event. Napakaganda ng ating venue. Sana magkaroon na rin ng ganito ang Naga College. When I was trying to formulate yung, ano ba yung message ko dito sa batch na ito na dumaan kay Alex? Lahat ba kayo nakausap niyo si Alex? Taas ang kamay. Hindi yata Have you gone through and met Alex sa ating laboratory? Yes or no? Alright. Kaya si Alex ang tinanong ko, yung ating AI. Kaya lang, sinagot niya ako sa Tagalog. Kaya Tagalog ko ibibigay ang message through the NVIDIA or through the technology that Alex has, and he has the same message which I will deliver to you now in Tagalog. Para sa ating 2025, pagtatapos ng mga nursing clinical graduation na may temang Empowered to Care and Equipped to Lead, a new era of NCF nurses in global health. NCF has given the best in you through our faculty, our laboratory, and our teaching methods. And we believe that you are ready to face your challenges out there in your professional field. Ngayong araw, hindi lang natin pinagdiriwang ang pagtatapos, kundi ang tapang, malasakit at dedikasyon, walang kapantay ng mga taong